Here are 5 Amazon products you'll wish you found sooner. Each one solves a real problem, looks amazing, and is worth checking out, so let's jump straight into it. Imagine coming home and realizing your floors have been vacuumed, mopped, scrubbed, dried, and the machine that did it even cleaned itself. This fully automated floor robot is basically a tiny cleaning butler with its own maintenance station. On the floor, it's a powerhouse. 19,000 pascals of suction means dust, pet hair, crumbs, all gone. The anti-tangle brush actually stops hair from wrapping around it, and the extendable side brush reaches deep into corners and along baseboards where dirt usually hides. Switching from carpet to hard floors, it lifts its mop to keep your carpets dry, then drops back down to scrub stains with dual spinning pads. It sees what it's cleaning too. A built-in camera and smart dirt detection help it spot everything from coffee spills to tiny crumbs. It maps your home in 3D, glides around furniture, and moves like it actually knows where it's going. And the best part, you control everything from the app. It's like handing your entire floor routine over to a quiet, tireless little robot. Imagine opening a can by basically doing nothing. This electric can opener sits on top of the can. You tap the button once, and it just glides around the edge on its own, like a little kitchen robot. No twisting, no squeezing, no wrist pain. It does all the work while you just watch. What makes it even cooler is how universal it is. Round cans, square cans, tall cans, weirdly shaped cans, it handles all of them with the same smooth, steady rotation. And when it's done, the lid comes off clean, with no sharp edges, so there's zero mess and zero risk. Kids, seniors, or anyone who's tired of fighting with manual openers can use it effortlessly. You literally place it on top, press the button, let it spin, and tap again to stop. That's it.
Picture having just one bottle on your counter that can drizzle like a chef, or mist like it came straight out of a high-end restaurant kitchen. This oil sprayer gives you total control. Tap for a fine, even mist, tilt for a smooth pour. One tool, 2 jobs, 0 mess. The nozzle is insanely precise. Want a light mist over your air fryer fries? Done. Need a steady stream for your pan or salad? Easy. And each spray gives you just 0.15 grams of oil, so you know exactly how much you're using without guessing or overdoing it. It's made from BPA-free glass, stays clean, odorless, heat-resistant, and just feels premium in your hand. It's one of those small kitchen upgrades that instantly makes every meal feel a little more intentional, a little more controlled, and a whole lot cleaner. Imagine grabbing a jar you know is stuck and opening it with almost no effort at all. This handheld jar opener looks simple, but the secret is its clever design. Wide adjustable grip, smooth non-slip clamp, and a long lever-style handle that gives you all the power you need without straining your hands. There are no sharp teeth, no metal edges, just a secure hold that tightens with a gentle push. It fits tiny bottle caps all the way up to large, stubborn lids, so one tool handles everything from sauces to pickles to vacuum-sealed jars that feel impossible to twist. Whether you've got limited hand strength, stiff wrists, or you just hate wrestling with lids, it gives you effortless leverage. Easy to store, easy to clean, and small enough to keep anywhere. Kitchen drawers, your RV, even a backpack. It's one of those everyday tools you end up using way more than you expected, and once you try it, you won't go back to twisting jars the old way. This gadget is basically your phone's new best friend. A Bluetooth speaker and a phone stand fused into one sleek setup. You drop your phone on it, and suddenly your videos, games, and music sound way bigger thanks to the built-in stereo speakers. And if someone calls, you can answer straight through the speaker with the built-in mic. The stand itself is fully adjustable, height, angle, everything. So whether you're cooking, studying, or binge watching, you get a comfortable view without the neck pain. It's solid too. 6 anti-slip pads on the base keep it from sliding around, even when the bass kicks in. Works with basically any phone or tablet of any size. Just set your device up, connect Bluetooth, and you've got a mini entertainment station anywhere you want.
And that wraps up today's list of 5 must-have Amazon gadgets. Check the links below to grab yours while they're discounted. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're always first in line for the next video. Until then, see you in the next video.